What's up? Something a little different. On my way to order some Chick-fil-A and then Popeyes, because we're doing it. We're gonna see what's better. Stay tuned. All right, here we are. Chick-fil-A. Let's go get these sandwiches. Got the goods. One half down. Chick-fil-A. Oh, goodness. Let's see what we got here. Yeah. Gotta have the fries.
On the map. Just really don't know, this is an unfair advantage right there. I don't know. There's spicy right here. There's spicy right here because you can have red dot. Alright.
Spicy. Okay. Well, spicy, you know it's spicy because it has an S on it. This one, you know this one's spicy because it's red. So
This is you. Regular chicken.
it says chicken because it's C on it. All right, well, I got extra mayo. Do you think the mayo makes that much of a difference? Let's see. But here you go. Let's unwrap this bad boy. I'll do Popeyes first. Let's do regular so that we don't mess up taste buds. Nice wrapper. It's wrapped in the wrapper. That's cool. First shot. Got chicken, big old pickles. I like that. Feels pretty nice. Okay, let's see. Dang, that's pretty good.
Dude, it's lit. That's lit.
That's really good. I
Right.
knew it would be.
It's good, dude.
Alright. The classic.
Nothing, of course.
The classic by itself. Oh no, they put mayo on that one. Let's try mayo on mine. Gotta even the playing field. Normally I would just do Chick-fil-A sauce though. Let's see. Alright. Alright, I don't know.
Told you, dude.
Oh, I don't know. It's close. Like
It is. It's
is
good.
really good.
Yeah, man. Yeah. It has this difference, man.
man, this one's crunchier.
It's crunchier. Probably feels bigger.
Feels bigger, but this one has more
Flavor. The flavor is impeccable on the Chick-fil-A. Like Chick-fil-A flavor, man. They got that
flavor on there though, dude.
Take a bite of
It's
take a bite of that one again.
This one feels good in the hand.
It does. It's big.
Way more pickle flavor here.
Obviously, because the pickers are probably bigger.
It's good.
It's good, man. It's good.
but-
It's good. It's good. Taste the spicy one. The spicy Popeyes one.
I'm gonna say it right now. The Chick-fil-A one is more flavorful. If I had to pick which one to eat, I'd probably choose Chick-fil-A.
Word.
Although it is really good.
Word.
All right, this one we got spicy.
Get that.
Looks good too. Nice and big size. Basically the same, except we got a spicy mustard in here. Spicy sauce.
Go for it.
Let's see what we got. That's good too. Look, if you just put spicy mayo on that one, it's not that spicy though.
Right.
It's good. Honestly, I'll probably eat every single last bite of these. It's good.
It's good.
It's really good. Spicy
This the true
Chick-fil-A.
tester right here.
Look at that though.
Yeah, it's true
That
tester.
looks great.
Yeah, they did good with that slice.
Ooh yeah. Let me mayo up. Not a lot of mayo left. I could use another one, but I don't think I'll really need to be honest with you. Hardly anything. Go ahead. A little bit more. There we go. Alright. Now the spicy test. Chick-fil-A. And over here. Ooh.
That Chick-fil-A spicy hit.
Way spicier.
Mm-hmm. Bite the Popeyes one again.
Way spicier. And more, actually, honestly, crunchy. The bite I took was really crunchy. Try this.
It's close. It has its pros and its cons for both,
Yeah.
man. Like,
Yeah. That's a good bite.
so what you think, Seth? We got them all here.
Man. Just the purest side by side you can do. Mayo, pickle, chicken, bun. Flavor, I go with Chick-fil-A.
Mm-hmm.
Better sandwich, honestly. But I don't remember how much any of this was though. How much is the
The Popeyes was
Popeyes.
$3.99 for the sandwich.
Okay, that's about right with the Chick-fil-A, right?
Uh,
I don't
the
remember.
combo is like
Like $6.
$8 though. The combo is a lot more
At
at Popeyes. It's
Oh wow.
it gets up to like $8 or something like that, almost $9. Price wise, Chick-fil-A is better.
Yeah.
Yeah. Price wise, Chick-fil-A is definitely better.
So you got flavor, you got bang for your buck, you got the
Mhm.
fries.
But,
Trump card in my opinion is this Chick-fil-A
Chick-fil-A
sauce.
sauce.
You put this on any of these and it wins.
Yeah.
But man, they're both really good. I would probably, if I had to choose, I would go Chick-fil-A.
Word.
Just saying, I know you had some high expectations, but
Hey, I feel like
honestly, I'd eat either one anytime.
yeah. I still feel like you
know what?
still like the
I like it a lot.
the Popeyes
It's a
one.
very nice, very good.
Chick-fil-A got that flavor, man.
It's just
Nobody's touching
flavorful.
it, man.
It's just more flavorful.
Yeah.
Honestly.
Yeah.
So let's do a Chick-fil-A sauce with the Popeyes.
I'm gonna try and record and eat this sandwich at the same time.
This is how I normally do it. I don't do mayo, I just do Chick-fil-A sauce.
With the Popeyes. It's lit.
Oh man,
It's too lit.
dude,
With the Popeyes?
that's great.
With the Popeyes?
The Popeyes. With the sauce on the bread, dude, it's really good. Try it here. Chick-fil-A classic. Yeah, it just works. It's like it's heaven right there.
There you go. It's still recording.
All right. So there you have it. I say Chick-fil-A. What do you think? Oh, let's do this. Spicy or classic? Which one's better? Here's what I'm gonna say.
For Popeyes?
Spicy Popeyes is the best. Better than regular. Regular Chick-fil-A is better than the spicy Chick-fil-A. Although I love the spicy. I love them all. But I'll go with the classic Chick-fil-A and the spicy Popeyes. So here's a question. If I could only have one, would it be the spicy Popeyes or the classic Chick-fil-A? Let's see if I can. Let me do some sauce on the spicy. Oops. And here's the thing, I would also have to go get Chick-fil-A sauce either way. Yeah. just works.
That's so hard, man.
That just works so good.
Yeah.
Chick-fil-A sauce on any of them wins. You put Chick-fil-A sauce on any of them, and that's the best one. Whatever
so
one does.
Chick-fil-A wins.
Yeah. Whichever one doesn't have the sauce loses, but the sauce makes it. And plus, you got the waffle fries. So, I don't know. I think that does it for me. You still like Popeyes better?
I do, simply because when I bite into the Popeyes one, it just feels better.
It does feel pretty good.
It's that breading
Yeah.
batter that they use is really crunchy, but it's soft at the same time, not breaking your teeth.
It does feel
It's
really
bigger.
good. It's a well-made sandwich.
Pickles are nice and big, but
Man.
Chick-fil-A got that flavor, man.
It's the flavor, man. It's the secret recipe. Oh well, you got it here. This is the video that decides it all for everyone.
Right.
The discussion is over.
Over.
All right, so it was Chick-fil-A for me, and yeah, Chick-fil-A sauce for the win. Here's the other thing: Popeyes, you don't have you gotta defend yourself. All right, you go to Popeyes, you may get stabbed, you may get in a fight. Chick-fil-A, you get treated right. You're gonna get that my pleasure. You're gonna get a free ice cream or something each time. I mean, you're gonna get treated professionally. You're gonna be appreciated. Popeyes, you might leave with a black eye. I'm just saying. So there's that. Now, where am I at right now? I'm on my way to go to Popeyes again. Yeah, I'm gonna get another one because I forgot to get my wife a sandwich, and she needs to try the Popeyes. And you know, even though I like Chick-fil-A, she needs to try and find out for herself. I will eat any of those sandwiches at any time because they're all delicious. That Popeye spicy one is the real deal. Not as spicy as Chick-fil-A spicy sandwich, but I don't think as good as the classic Chick-fil-A chicken sandwich with Chick-fil-A sauce. And here's the other thing: the pickles, dude. So without the pickles, Popeyes wouldn't stand a chance. I'm just gonna say it. Those pickles kind of made the sandwich. Yeah, the chicken was great. The bread, fantastic, crispy, fluffy, delicious. The mayonnaise, spicy mayo, fantastic. But the pickles were the secret weapon, I think, of the Popeye sandwich. And that's just my opinion. You know, I know a lot of people are no pickles, but hey. But that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed that different video, different type of unboxing video, unwrapping video. More of a eating video. All right. Food review. All right, food review video. If you like that, let me know it, and I'll be more than happy to try more food and film myself doing so. All right. So over and out until the next challenger comes along to Chick-fil-A. You know where I'll be. I'll be in that super fast Chick-fil-A line. All right. Cool. Peace.